Aries, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. If this reading is not for you, then leave it for a friend. You can also watch your moon and rising placements kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Aries. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you. Okay. You are a person who is powerful. Maybe you are holding an important role in your company. Okay? You have too much responsibilities. Parang ang dami ninyong obligasyon. Okay? Siyempre, kaakibat niyan, yung pagiging a leader is mga challenges. Okay? Challenges sa work, sa mga colleagues, obligations, and feeling mo parang nahihirapan ka na, but you keep on going. Okay, you have a lot of plans in your mind. Okay, parang excited ka. Maybe you are going to travel, you are looking for, or you are waiting for a victory. Kung ano man tong project or yung ginagawa nyo sa trabaho nyo, nilulook forward mo na yung success. Whatever this is, kung ano man yung mga pinaghihirapan ninyo, yung pinagusan or pinagtuunan ninyo ng pansin, it may be sa work, sa personal life ninyo, okay, sa relationship ninyo, there will be victory, okay, and success. So, kailangan pa ng tiyaga, huwag mawalan ng pag-asa, Aries. Malapit ka na sa sitwasyon na you are ending a suffering already, okay? Kung ano man yung nagpapahirap sa inyo, you're almost through it, and you will receive some victory and success from that. Let us see ano pa yung mga messages sa inyo. Okay, may mga revelations na mangyayari. What is this? A sudden wealth, Aries. Okay. Sometimes, kailangan mo rin magpahinga because you've been working too hard, Aries. You may be receiving a lot of money. Nag-iisip na kayo ng pagbibigyan ninyo ng blessings. For some of you, will be receiving a promotion, a salary increase. Ikaw yung tao, Aries, na may mabuting loob. A very wise person, and at the same time, malambot ang puso, mabait. But you are a person na kailangan mo rin magpahinga. Take a break. Pag-isipan yung mga bagay-bagay. Lalo na before making a decision. For some of you, you are sacrificing a lot. Okay? So, sa work mo, just to provide for your family. Okay? Yeah. Kung ano man itong mga projects na ginagawa ninyo or yung trabaho nyo, okay, merong magandang resulta. You will be abundant. Okay, magbibigay ito ng prosper sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. Lumalabas yung pagiging creative ninyo, Aries. Yeah, merong someone na may namimiss. Okay? Someone na may nagregret ng kanyang mga desisyon sa buhay. Okay? For some of you, nalulungkot dahil it is difficult for them to get pregnant. Or someone is getting pregnant or is pregnant. May mga iniisip kayo, pero you need to be mindful sa time. Kasi minsan, nagpo-procrastinate kayo. Kung may mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan, okay? There are some things na you feel incomplete, parang meron ka pang hinahanap, okay? And you are going towards kung ano yung mas makakapagpasaya sa'yo, mas fulfilling, okay? For some of you, you will be traveling, maybe taking a break and have some vacation, maybe abroad. For some of you, you have been suffering or may problema kayo in the past when it comes to your relationship, and right now, pinag-iisipan ninyo if bibigyan nyo pa ng panahon yung taong to or bibigyan ninyo ng chance. Because someone is regretful kung ano yung ginawa o na hindi maganda sa inyo. Nag-regret sa mga desisyon na ginawa dati. And now, you are just being careful sa mga desisyon mo ngayon. Okay? And you have to think about yourself, Aries. Someone you know from the past, maybe same sign with you, Aries, okay, Libra. Someone you've known from the past, may narinig kayo na magiging father na or magiging mother na. Okay? And this is something na parang ikinagulat ninyo. Okay? Yeah. Whatever this is, kung ano man yung mga ginagawa ninyo sa work or mga projects ninyo, creative projects, personal project ninyo, it will come out successful, okay? It will be a success, Aries. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages sa inyo. For some of you, parang ang dami-dami mga opportunities na biglaan na lang na dumating sa inyo, okay? Parang ang daming nangyayari all at once. For some of you, you will be traveling or going abroad, vacation, taking some time for yourself. Let us see ano pa yung mga messages para sa inyo, Aries. You've been through a lot, Aries, with someone from the past. Okay? Merong pang-abuso na nangyari sa relationship. From a person that is a bossy or egoistic. Okay, mice. Discord among friends or family, okay? For some of you, mayroong problema with group of friends, okay? Or family. Na kailangan i-patch up. Kailangan ayusin, Aries, okay? Dogs, getting together with friends. Okay, for some of you, there are reconciliations. Maybe you will be getting together with your friends. Okay, get together. Merong celebration na mangyayari, Aries. Crown. Honor and respect will come to you. Okay, of course, you are an Aries. You are a leader. Okay, you are stable, Aries. So, maybe, yun na nga, kanina, no? Merong promotion na mangyayari. People will look up to you. People will respect you because of your skills, because of your hard work, because of your strength and leadership. May promotion na mangyayari or recognition, awards you will be receiving, Aries. Carrots or carrot. Opportunity or windfall. Okay? So, windfall of money. Or a lot of, yun sabi kanina, no? Parang maraming mga opportunities na darating sa'yo na hindi mo in-expect. Parang ang daming nangyayari na parang biglaan. All at the same time. Chain of events that will affect your life. Okay? Rat. Someone working against you behind your back. Okay? So, be careful, Aries, with those people na hindi totoo or sincere, na hindi mo pagkatiwalaan. So, hindi lahat ng tao na nakakausap mo, nakakasalamuha mo na maayos sa'yo ay maganda ang intensyon or mabait sa'yo. Okay? Most especially in the workplace. So, be careful with that kasi may mga inggit, lalo na if you're holding an important role in a company. So, hindi maiwasan na may mga inggit talaga. Okay? May mga issues na nangyayari. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga messages for Aries. Sit in silence for a moment and listen. The answers you have been seeking are finally coming to you. Truly trust and believe that you are going to make it and be exactly where you need to be. We are on this journey with you. Hang in there. It's not much longer, okay? So, Aries, that's the message for you. Be patient and be true to yourself. Trust yourself, Aries, and be strong. So, yun lang yung message sa'yo, Aries. See you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.